Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting comparison between two of the most talked about fifth-generation fighter jets in the world, the American F-35 Lightning II and China's J-35, also known as the FC-31 Gyrfalcon. These jets represent the cutting edge of modern military aviation, and while both are designed with stealth, speed, and versatility in mind, they come from very different design philosophies and operational backgrounds. So let's break it all down in detail and see how these two fighters truly stack up against each other. Starting with the F-35 Lightning II, this is an American-made multi-role stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin. It comes in three variants: the F-35A conventional takeoff and landing version, the F-35B short takeoff and vertical landing version, and the F-35C carrier-based version for the U.S. Navy. The F-35 was designed not only to dominate in the air, but also to perform precision ground attacks and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Its stealth technology is one of its defining features, allowing it to operate deep into enemy territory with a reduced chance of being detected by radar. The F-35 is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, which produces around 43,000 pounds of thrust. This gives the jet a top speed of approximately Mach 1.6 and a combat radius of about 669 nautical miles for the F-35A, depending on mission parameters. Its avionics suite is among the most advanced in the world, featuring the Distributed Aperture System, DAS, Electro-Optical Targeting System, EOTS, and highly integrated sensor fusion, which allows pilots to track multiple targets simultaneously and share real-time data with other friendly forces. This network-centric capability makes the F-35 not just a fighter jet, but also a flying command and control node. On the weapons front, the F-35 is versatile. It carries an internal weapons bay for stealth operations, which can hold a combination of air-to-air missiles like the AM-120 AMRAAM and air-to-ground munitions such as JDAMs. Additionally, it can carry extra weapons on external hardpoints if stealth is not a priority. This flexibility makes it highly adaptable for different combat scenarios. Now turning to the J-35, this fighter is China's attempt to create a modern fifth-generation multi-role jet comparable to Western designs. Developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, the J-35 is still in the developmental and testing phase, primarily intended for the Chinese Navy and potentially for export markets. The J-35 is designed with stealth characteristics, twin engines, and modern avionics that reflect China's growing expertise in military aviation. The exact specifications of the J-35 are less well known compared to the F-35, but available information suggests that it is slightly smaller and lighter. It is believed to be powered by twin WS-13 or WS-19 engines, giving it a top speed around Mach 1.8 and a service ceiling of 60,000 feet. Like the F-35, the J-35 is expected to carry air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, as well as precision-guided bombs with internal bays designed to reduce radar cross-section and maintain stealth. One key difference is that the J-35 appears to focus heavily on carrier-based operations for the People's Liberation Army Navy, which could indicate a stronger emphasis on naval strike missions. When comparing stealth, the F-35 currently has a proven advantage. It has been operational for over a decade, with numerous deployments by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as several allied nations. Its stealth capabilities have been extensively tested in real-world operations, giving it a credibility that the J-35 is still building. On the other hand, the J-35's stealth performance is largely speculative. While Chinese engineers have made impressive advances in radar-absorbing materials and shaping, the lack of operational data means we don't yet know how it will perform against advanced air defenses. In terms of avionics and sensors, the F-35 is also ahead. Its sensor fusion system allows it to process massive amounts of data and provide pilots with an unprecedented level of situational awareness. The J-35 is reported to have modern avionics, including radar and infrared targeting systems, but there is no confirmation that it can match the F-35's networked combat capabilities or electronic warfare systems. This could be a critical factor in a potential conflict scenario where information dominance is key. Another important consideration is logistics and maintenance. The F-35 program is supported by a global supply chain and an extensive maintenance network, While it has faced criticism for high operational costs, the infrastructure for training, parts, and upgrades is well established. The J-35, as a newer and less widely deployed aircraft, may face more challenges in sustaining long-term operations, especially if China aims to export it internationally. Finally, looking at combat roles, both jets are designed to be multi-role fighters, but the F-35 has already demonstrated its capability in air-to-ground strikes, suppression of enemy air defenses, and intelligence missions. The J-35's operational roles are still evolving, and while it is expected to fill similar roles, its real-world performance remains untested. To summarize, the F-35 currently holds the edge in terms of proven stealth, advanced avionics, and operational experience. Its global network of operators, battle-tested technology, and multi-role flexibility make it a formidable fighter in modern combat. The J-35, however, represents China's rapid progress in aviation technology. While it is promising and could potentially challenge Western jets in the future, it still has hurdles to overcome in testing, deployment, and operational validation. The ongoing development of the J-35 will be closely watched by military analysts worldwide, as it signals China's ambitions to field a true fifth-generation fighter capable of rivaling the F-35 in the years to come. Both jets are significant in shaping the future of aerial warfare. While the F-35 continues to dominate as a combat-proven multi-role fighter, the J-35 represents the emerging challenge of a new generation of aircraft designed to compete on a global scale. For now, the F-35 remains the benchmark for fifth-generation fighters, but the J-35 could close the gap as technology, experience, and operational deployment advance. Either way, these two aircraft highlight how modern fighter jets are no longer just about speed and maneuverability. They are about stealth, sensors, and integrated combat networks that redefine air dominance in the 21st century.